Hi guys, welcome back to 4DD. If you are a GoPro user, you must know its powerful ability to capture exciting moments in our lives. But sometimes, accidentally deleting files or damaging the SD card can make your beautiful memories disappear in an instant. Don't worry, today we will share some efficient methods to help you recover lost GoPro files. Method 1. Use Quik. It is an official GoPro app that's available on Android and iOS as GoPro Quik. You can use this to recover deleted video files if they're still present in the app. If you have enabled mobile upload option in GoPro Plus, you can then restore the deleted video files from the backup. Method 2. Use CHKDSK command. Before that, remove the SD card from your GoPro and plug it into your computer. First, click on the Start button and search for CMD Write. Click on it and run it as administrator. Now type in this command that you can see on the screen, but make sure to replace the letter X with your SD card's letter, and then hit Enter. After that, type the following command, CHKDSKX/R. Make sure to replace the letter X with your SD cards. These commands will start scanning your SD card file system for errors and attempt to fix them so that you will be able to access your data. Method 3. Use 4DDiG data recovery. If you think the previous method is too complicated and doesn't work, I highly recommend 4DDiG data recovery, which is a professional software that can scan your computer and find out any lost data. 4DDiG supports all kinds of data recovery. It can recover data from internal computer, SD cards, USB, external hard drive, etc. It also supports data recovery from over 2,000 plus different type files, including photos, videos, documents, etc. So first, go to 4DDiG data recovery. Connect your GoPro SD card to your computer, then go to SD card. Hit Scan. Choose your file types. Once the scan is complete, simply select the ones you want to recover. Here you go. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe us. See you guys in the next video.